Are you struggling to migrate from Box+PullToRefreshContainer to PullToRefreshBox? You're not alone. Many developers face challenges when updating their code to adapt to new libraries and frameworks. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to make a smooth transition from Box+PullToRefreshContainer to PullToRefreshBox. Pull-to-refresh functionality is an essential feature in many mobile applications, allowing users to refresh content with a simple gesture. However, when libraries and frameworks evolve, it's crucial to update your code to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. In this video, we'll cover the key concepts, steps, and best practices to help you successfully migrate from Box+PullToRefreshContainer to PullToRefreshBox. First, let's break down what each component does. Box is a basic layout widget in Flutter that allows you to create rectangular boxes with a specified size. PullToRefreshContainer, on the other hand, provides a pull-to-refresh functionality for its child widget. When combined, they offer a straightforward way to implement pull-to-refresh behavior. However, as libraries and frameworks evolve, it's essential to adapt to new and improved components. That's where PullToRefreshBox comes in, a newer and more efficient widget that simplifies the process of implementing pull-to-refresh functionality. So, how do you migrate from Box+PullToRefreshContainer to PullToRefreshBox? The first step is to understand the differences between these two approaches. Unlike Box+PullToRefreshContainer, which requires manual setup and configuration, PullToRefreshBox provides a more streamlined experience. When migrating, start by replacing your existing box widget with PullToRefreshBox. This will involve updating your import statements and adjusting your code to accommodate the new widget's properties and methods. Next, focus on configuring the PullToRefreshBox widget to meet your application's requirements. This may include customizing its appearance, behavior, and animation. Take advantage of PullToRefreshBox's built-in features, such as support for various refresh styles and automatic scrolling. Understand the differences between Box+PullToRefreshContainer and PullToRefreshBox. Replace your existing box widget with PullToRefreshBox. Configure PullToRefreshBox to meet your application's requirements. By following these steps and understanding the concepts behind each component, you'll be well on your way to successfully migrating from Box+PullToRefreshContainer to PullToRefreshBox. That's it for today's video. We hope this guide has helped you understand how to migrate from Box+PullToRefreshContainer to PullToRefreshBox. Det. Niet hinderlijk woord die synverstaat. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on Flutter and mobile app development. What other topics would you like us to cover? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.